everyone! Welcome to Chef Simone with Cozy at Home on River City Live. Today we're going to become scientists, so go ahead and put on your pretend lab coats and let's get right into the science lab experiment. Today we'll be making lava lamps. Oh my god, look at it, you all. It looks super cool. So let's get into what we're going to need. You will need some measuring cups, some measuring spoons, some scissors, and always hold your scissors down, a cup, a water bottle, a large Ziploc bag and a small Ziploc bag, and a spoon. You'll also need 1 tablespoon of baking soda, 1/2 cup of water, some food coloring of your choice, 1 cup of oil, and you can use canola oil or vegetable oil. This is canola oil, and 1/2 cup of vinegar. So let's get started. First, we're going to take our large Ziploc bag and we're going to open it up. And you're going to go ahead and add in our pre-measured 1 cup of oil. Just like that. And then you're going to do the same thing with our 1/2 cup of vinegar. And we're just going to add it in just like that. Now you're going to add in your choice of food coloring. Today we're going to choose, I'm going to choose red. And we're going to add in 15 drops. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 15 drops of red food coloring. Now we're going to close it up. Set this to the side. And we're going to close our Ziploc bag. It may be a little difficult because our hands are a little bit oily. And now we're just going to shake, 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 shake. Now for the next step, now we're going to take our 1 tablespoon of baking soda and we're going to add it into our 1/2 cup of water. Just like that. And you're going to take your spoon and you're going to mix, 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 mix. Mix, 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 mix. Now we're going to take our small Ziploc bag and we're going to open it up. And we're going to add our baking soda and water mixture into this bag. Just like that. And you want to get all the baking soda, so you may have to take your spoon and scrape the leftover baking soda into the bag. Just like that. Okay, now I'm going to close it, seal the bag, and I'm going to set it to the side. Now what we're going to do is we're going to take the cap off of our water bottle and we put it inside the cup so that it could stay still. So we won't really have to hold it. And I'm going to take our oil and vinegar and food coloring mixture and I'm going to flip it upside down, but you want to make sure this is sealed first. You want to make sure it's sealed first. And then you're going to flip it upside down and you're going to cut the corner. Now, watch carefully. You see how much of the corner we have? I'm going to just cut off a little small piece. This much, as you can see. I'm only going to cut off that much. Not too much, not too little. Perfect amount. And I'm just going to flip it. You want to be very careful with this, you all. And you're just going to pour it right in. Just like that. Wow, look at that. This is so cool. Be careful. And just going to pour it in, pour it in, pour it in, pour it in, and and it's done. Now we're going to set this to the side. And this is how it looks. And now we're going to go ahead and add in our baking soda and water mixture. Now this is where the magic happens. Okay, so you're gonna do the same exact thing. Make sure it's sealed. Have it upside down. You're gonna snip off a little piece, just a little piece. Just that much, as you all can see. And we're gonna do the same exact thing when pouring it in. Just like this. And let it pour in, let it pour in. You don't have to put in too much. Whoa, look at that. Oh my gosh. Okay, I think we have enough. I think we have enough of that. That was like, boom, like a big explosion. Okay, we're going to do a little bit more, but we're not going to do it too much. Just going to pour in a little bit. And watch it bubble, you all. Just going to pour in a little bit. It's going to fizz up. Okay, so this is what we have. This is our lava lamp, and you want to make sure you have some napkins by you so you can wipe your hands off and wipe the cup off. 'Cause that was like a big explosion, you all. Okay, and now that we have that done, now what we're going to do is we're going to put our cap on here. And this is our lava lamp, you all, and we're going to flip it upside down. And when we flip it back up, it starts bubbling. Do you all see that? Look at that. That is super cool. You have made your lava lamp, and as you can see, okay, so this is, as you can see, it's starting to separate. And it's separating because oil and water are immiscible liquids. So they constantly have sedimentation separating the two forms. Oil is always going to be on the top because it's a lighter form, and water is always going to be on the bottom because it's a heavier form. But this is so cool. Look how much you can do with science, you all. Science is super important. Super important. If you all like this fun activity, you want to watch more fun activities like this one, feel free to follow me on my Instagram and all of my social medias at Goddess Food Jacks, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Goddess Food Factory. And be sure to tune in to the next episode of Chef Simone with Cozy at Home and hashtag Cozy at Home RCL so we can see your creations. Bye. Wow.